Hi everyone, so I'm Jet, and this is gonna be another live stream here, tracking the big severe weather outbreak we got going on right now. So things have already been kind of starting to things have already been ramping up here in the past few hours. And our live stream is going for almost 3 hours now. Yeah, about like 2 hours, 51 minutes. We've had all these severe thunderstorm warnings just issued within a few minutes of me trying to set up this stream. And going back to severeweatheroutlook.com, again, we have these giant, we got these, big, like, outbreaks or, risks here. That's what I meant to say, risks. I mean, like I said in your live stream, this possibly could be like May 3rd, 1974, or no, May 3rd, 1999, April 3rd, 1974. Yeah, it could be like April 3rd, 1974, or May 3rd, 1999, or April 27th, 2011. Because again, of all the severe weather we got, and again, these are hitting the same area that have been getting hit. Like Omaha, around Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska. And I know other areas, like, in Oklahoma and in Iowa as well, that have been getting hit with a lot of severe weather and tornadoes, throughout the Great Plains. And we've got more, and we've got more storms coming to these areas. I mean, again, tornado risk is 30%, wind and hail risk are both 45%. And I just X'd it out. I just X'd out my I just X'd out tornadohq.com. We just had our tornado warning issued. So yeah, we have another tornado warning issued. Okay, hi face. Yeah, I know I ended off the other live stream. What I was trying to say before too, with like the email and stuff, because I know we were trying to figure that out, and that's also, but we're trying to figure that out, and basically, that what I was trying to say is like a separate email, just strictly just for people if they want to like contact you, rather than the one that you use to control your YouTube. That's kind of what I was trying to say. So, but yeah, I just wanted to start a new live stream. I just thought it'd be easier. Since the other one was going for a few hours, I'm just like, yeah, I'll just start a new live stream. Because I feel like things are also getting a little bit awkward, honestly, too. But also, I'm socially awkward. But yeah. But I do hope that you are enjoying this live stream, though, and staying safe. And I'm really hoping we can get this email figured out, because I believe Face was gonna give me wanted to make me like a new or like a logo for my channel. Your subscribers stop watching you. Yeah. Well, I also sent I also sent it to some people as well, and yeah, they probably got off because they probably had other stuff to do, or they didn't get in, or they weren't interested, or whatever. But yeah, and that happens. I'm a smaller YouTuber. And I am gonna be getting off. And I am gonna be getting off here real soon too. I just want to find like where I could like mute my microphone. Because I am gonna have to get off here in a few minutes. I'm still gonna keep the live stream going. I will be back. Just I am gonna be eating dinner, but I still am gonna keep this live stream going though. So yeah, and besides also, if I wanted to do a live stream that was more than 12 hours anyways, which this live stream might be on the longer side, this live stream might be a few hours or so, if not longer, who knows. But yeah, I'm trying to find like where my microphone is in my settings on my computer. Yeah, I think it's microphone private. There we go. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yeah. Had 2 tornado warnings issued for White County, Tennessee, and Alpha, Luffa, Major, and Woods and Woodward counties in Oklahoma. There's just so much going on here. Not only with the warnings, because the warnings are really starting to ramp up here. But also for everything going on here, because I'm trying to talk to you in the chat. Trying to talk to you face in the chat. And I'm also trying to focus on these warnings right here now too. So, multitasking. But yeah, again, I hope that everyone is enjoying this live stream though and staying safe out there as always. But yeah. So looking at the tornado warnings here, the one in Oklahoma, tornado and golf ball size, hail, impact flying debris will be dangerous to those call out shelter, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. 2 damage likely located impact include Fairview, Mutual, Chester, Orion, and Boise Junction, or Bouse Junction. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. Again, if I pronounce anything incorrectly, please do correct me. Cautionary parents actions, take cover now, move to a storm shelter, safe room or interior room, lowest floor of a 3 building, avoid windows if you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move close to shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Max hail size 1.75 inches, and that's for Alpha, Luffa, Major, and Woods and Woodward counties, Oklahoma. So definitely if you live in any of the locations, you can cover right now. Go lowest level, most exterior room, stay away from all exterior walls and windows. Then for White County, Tennessee, same thing again. Stay, go lowest level, most exterior room, stay away from all exterior walls and windows. And substantial building, substantial shelter. Tornado quarter size hail here is moving east at 20 miles per hour. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those call out shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. 2 damage likely. This damage storm will be near Sparta around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Just 4 minutes from now, other locations impacted by this tornado storm include Doily. Cautionary parents actions, take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room, lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to closed handle shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado radar indicated maximum size 1 inch. And as for White County, Tennessee, it's definitely if you're in Alpha, Luffa, Major, Woods, and Woodward counties, Oklahoma, and White County, Tennessee, you can cover right now. Go to lowest level, most exterior rooms, stay away from all exterior walls and windows. These storms are definitely starting to ramp up here. And again, we have possibilities. EF3 plus tornadoes are possible here, including very large hail and very big wind risk here as well. And definitely stay safe out there, everyone. Take all proper precautions and action to keep you safe and everyone else safe. And I gotta go downstairs for dinner, but I will keep this live stream going. I might actually split up the tabs here, maybe, if I can. But before I go, though, I'm gonna split the tabs here. My mom is coming up. Just can't give me a minute because it takes a little bit. Because sometimes my computer wants to put in full screen. Just give me a minute. minute here. Yeah, I gotta try and like configure everything. But yeah, so yeah, there's severe weather warnings on that side. And then this is Scott Roberts. I don't know if I have these warnings.
Greetings from TornadoHQ.com.
Gonna mute the audio here. So yeah, we got 16. Got another thunderstorm warning for Reno and Rice counties in Kansas, and we can see, here we got Scott Roberts on the right on for severestudios.com. Put that in the chat right now if you want to go check it out. So yeah, we got the split screen here. Tornado HQ on the left, Scott Roberts, severestudios.com on the right. And this is in right around Pratt, Kansas. Okay, definitely stay safe out there, everyone, and I will be back soon. So I hope that all of you enjoy and stay safe out there.
There are 2 new warnings affecting Nebraska and Oklahoma. There is 1 new severe thunderstorm warning for South Carolina. There is 1 new severe thunderstorm warning for Tennessee. There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma. There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Tennessee. There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Kansas. There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Kansas. There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Tennessee. There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Kansas.
We've been live streaming here for about 40 minutes now. Been live streaming here for about 40 minutes now. The Torcon, I'm seeing on the Weather Channel, the Torcon is, in some areas, the Torcon of 9, that is like really, really high. Now, I know I've been explaining a lot of this throughout, these live streams, but yeah, it's like really, really high though. And, again, we have a 30% tornado risk, which is also really, really high. Wind and hail above 45%. Again, a regional outbreak of severe weather of multiple intense EF3 plus long track tornadoes, as well as very large hail and severe thunderstorm gusts expected over parts of the south central plains from this afternoon through evening. Excuse me. And again, a lot of these are going over a lot of the same area that have already gotten hit. Right now we got one tornado warning here. This is the one for Alphalapa, Major, Woods, and Woodward counties in Oklahoma. I want to take a look here at the tornado watches and the tornado watches and the severe thunderstorm watches. So again, we got tornado watches going from the northern border of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, looks like the northwestern border of Missouri. The western parts of Iowa, like a little bit of western Iowa, Nebraska, and then for severe thunderstorm warnings severe thunderstorm watches, excuse me. I keep on slipping up on my words. But yeah, and the severe thunderstorm watches, which is in the blue, for South Dakota, parts of South Dakota, southwestern North Dakota, and southeastern Montana. I have the Weather Channel on behind me right now. My mom was finally able to get it. So I do have it on behind me now, which is good. I'm happy about that. I'm kind of trying to put these together now. So you got 13 severe weather warnings right now, 12 severe thunderstorm, 1 tornado, 5 warnings in Kansas, 1 Nebraska, 3 in Oklahoma, 1 in South Carolina, and 3 in Tennessee.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Tennessee.
Bledsoe County in Tennessee. And it says here it's moving southeast at 30 miles per hour, has a 60 mile per hour wind gust, and nickel-sized hail. So it's rare indicated. Impact expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Location impact include Pikeville, Melvine, Mount Crest, and Fall Creek Falls State Park. Fair protection moves interior room will for building. Maximum size 0.88 inches. Maximum gust 60 miles per hour in Bledsoe County in Tennessee. Yeah, and looking at Scott Roberts here, and right in the storm, you see all these raindrops, these really ominous clouds, and this is the camera I was showing from severestudios.com. This is what I was showing when I was eating dinner, and when my mom was trying to get everything all set up. Yeah, so it looks like still right around Pratt, just to the east of Pratt. You storm to come in for Wichita, eventually Kansas City. And again, more of these warnings are starting to ramp up here. I know they kind of Like, these warnings are definitely going to be ramping up more here, especially tonight. So, again, you definitely want to wait to get alerted. Again, when there is a tornado, go to the lowest level, most exterior room, and stay away from all exterior walls and windows. You definitely want a way to get alerted, whether if that's on, especially tonight, because, you're going to be busy. You're going to be sleeping. So, you definitely want a way to get alerted. So just in case there is a tornado or the possibility of a tornado, you can go to your, or even just really heavy winds, or just some other severe weather event, you can go to your safe place. Again, lowest level, you can get everyone up, you can go to the lowest level, most exterior room, away from all exterior walls and windows. Hopefully my audio sounds alright. You might hear the weather channel in the background, maybe, but since again I have it on. Been live streaming for 45 minutes now. But yeah, I know I'm live streaming now. I've only been live streaming for about 45 minutes or so. I might actually stop this one and actually do another one a little bit later on. I might just have one just go overnight, possibly. I'll have to see about that, though. An Oklahoma Emergency Operations Center activated. Oklahoma and Kansas storms will last into the night. And they're showing from Storm Tracker Charles.
There is one new tornado warning for Oklahoma.
We've got another tornado warning out in Alfalfa, Garfield, Grant, Major, and Woods counties in Oklahoma. And then Winoka, Oklahoma. Tornado risk is highest it's been in a year. PDS tornado watch in Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. And again, that's the 30% tornado risk we got here. I mean, it's just extremely dangerous. I mean, this is life-threatening here that we're talking about. And just really concerning. And again, a PDS tornado watch, Oklahoma City Public Schools canceled evening activities. McConnell AFB moves aircraft ahead of storm. But look at this tornado warning here, though. Alphalia, Garfield, Grant, Major, and Wood counties in Oklahoma. Here, though, it's till 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, this tornado warning. It's moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Have a tornado and golf ball size hail. It's just huge hail. Impact flying debris with damage to the cost out shelter. Mobile homes will damage or destroy damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. True damage likely. Located impact include Enid, Helena, Lahoma, Ringwood, Cleo Springs, Glottree, Menlo, Align, Nash, Hillsdale, Career, and Orinta. And they're talking about that warning right now on the Word Channel, actually. And yeah, Project Credit Actions, take cover now, move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room, lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to a close central shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So tornado radar indicated max hail size 1.75 inches, and that's for Alphalufa, Garfield, Grant, Major, and Woods counties. I know a lot of these counties in Oklahoma have definitely had tornado warnings. We got another one just to the west of it. It's coming looks like it's approaching Tulsa and also Oklahoma City as well. Let's actually time this out here. So I'm going to put this on Tulsa here. Yeah, Wichita public schools are canceled. Got flood watch, looks like also in Tulsa as well. 1.8 million.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for South Carolina.
And we got the flood watch till 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time till Tuesday 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. So we got that line there. We got the line up here. and this line is starting to look really nasty, and it's probably going to look even more nasty and be more severe as we go on throughout the evening and tonight. Like, look at that. That is just wow. Yeah, like Topeka, Kansas City, Oklahoma City, Tulsa. It's just looking really, really nasty. Omaha, Des Moines, Sioux Falls. Again, a lot of these areas have already been getting hit with severe weather, like I've been saying. Either they already have been getting hit with severe weather and storms. And it's just really, really concerning and really dangerous, even life-threatening, you know? Like, totally life-threatening and concerning. And I want to take a look here at EarthCam. So see if we have any cameras here. So I do want to get a couple of cameras here. One for
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma.
Kansas. Excuse me. But the problem is, though, is that, and you said, like, the sun came out at one point, the clouds are getting darker and more concerning looking, and, the thing is, you don't want the sun coming out, because there's already so much instability, and that's probably why we're getting so many of these really severe storms, like all this severe weather, and it's going to be really severe, and just damaging and awful, devastating, is because of all of the instability. Yeah, around Oklahoma City, there's a torcon of 9, even around that area, like, in Tulsa, in Ada, and then, a 5 for Henrietta. Yeah, there's still time to make your severe weather plan, everyone. Like, there is, yeah, I want to get Cam here for at least Oklahoma City. But yeah, you definitely want a plan, though, everyone. Again, remember, when there's a tornado, go to the lowest level, most exterior rooms, stay away from all exterior walls and windows. And please, 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 just, have a plan, and, please stay safe out there, everyone. Remember also, too, if you are in a mobile home, you don't want to be in a mobile home during a tornado. Now you want to make a plan. You want to probably get like an emergency kit as well, because not just planning for the tornado, we also want to plan after the tornado is hit as well, because you're going to have a lot of damage around you, so you got to be careful. I've heard like wearing like a bicycle helmet or like a hard hat or something, or even covering our head with a pillow might help. Keep you protected. Also wearing some good shoes as well. And also, again, something to protect your head, like bicycle helmets or something along those lines, will also help you as well. And you got to be careful too when you're getting out of the rubble as well. You got all sorts of hazards around you, down power lines, and obviously you want to stay well away from them. Even if they don't look live, you still want to stay like extremely far away from them, as far away as you can get. I believe that would be at least, I'm trying to look it up now. But yeah, we got this camera up here for Oklahoma City. 79 degrees Fahrenheit there right now. It's looking sunny for the moment, kind of hazy, but even though, unfortunately, again, we got these storms.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma.
So yeah, I had a brain fart there. I was trying to figure out what I was doing for a second. But yeah, but you definitely want to stay away from live power lines. I'm trying to look up. Trying to look up something here. But yeah, flying debris can be deadly. You want to stay at least. I've heard like down power lines. I mean, I'm looking at a video from the Wear channel, Wear.com, that says, it was the IMR they did back in 2018. They did in 2018. About tornadoes, and it says, down power lines, can exceed 7,000 volts. It says, and you have to at least stay back 40 feet, if not more, if not way more, if you can, but at least 40 feet, if not more. Even if it doesn't look live, you still want to stay back at least 40 feet, if not further. And again, debris can be killer because I've heard one of the killers, or one of the number one killers in tornadoes, from what I've heard, is, the flying debris, because they could shoot at you like missiles. Like, for example, a piece of plywood could just shoot right at you. We can go back here to, weather.com. But yeah, I mean, like a piece of plywood could just shoot right at you, Or some other, they could just all shoot right at you from like a tornado or even really heavy winds. Excuse me, and that could bring, and again, that's why you want to be in your safe place. Again, lowest level, most exterior room, stay away from all exterior walls and windows. If you're in a mobile home, you need to be making a plan now and call someone else that you know has a sturdy shelter, that has, because you don't want to be in a mobile home. You don't want to be in a mobile home during a tornado. It can roll over or it can get completely destroyed. So that's why you want to, call someone up that you know, either a friend or a family member, or someone that you know that has a sturdy shelter. Again, lowest level, most exterior room, and away from all exterior walls and windows. And also when you're in a car too, if there is a tornado, again, either got two options. Don't want to hide under an overpass, don't want to hide over an overpass. What you'd want to do is pull over, again, not under an overpass, or above it. And you want to keep your seatbelt on and duck below the window, then cover your hands over your head, or you get out of the vehicle, you abandon it, and you go out into a ditch, and you lay flat in the ditch and put your hands on your head till the tornado is over. Or try and find a sturdy shelter, if that's available as an option too, because I've seen that also in the warnings on here as well. But yeah, definitely, please though, stay safe out there, everyone. For the wind risks, you definitely want to tie things down. You definitely want to tie things down. At least because for example, you can have a lawn chair. Okay, you have a lawn chair on your deck, and next thing you know, these heavy winds could just blow it away. It could be like halfway down the street, you may never see it again. For example, But yeah, just definitely though, please do stay safe out there though. You definitely want to tie the stuff down from the heavy wind, or even bring it inside if you can. For hail risks, considering some of the hail here is going to be possibly huge, definitely want to at least park your vehicle in a covered space, like a garage, if you have that available to you. I understand not everyone does, including myself, but if you do though, definitely would want to do that. But yeah, definitely stay safe out there, everyone. Definitely have a way to get alerted. I'm going to end off this live stream, and I'll see all of you in the next one. So, we're live streaming for almost an hour now. I'm going to end off this one.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Kansas.
Bye, everyone. Stay safe.